Hey there, beauty enthusiasts! Today, we're diving into the world of makeup mirrors with the GURUN 8.5-inch tabletop LED lighted makeup mirror. This mirror isn't just any ordinary mirror, it's a game changer for your beauty routine. Let's break down why. First off, let's talk about magnification. With dual-sided mirrors offering both 1x and 10x magnification, you've got all your bases covered. Whether you're going for a full-face look or need to focus on intricate details, this mirror has you covered. But wait, there's more. The LED lighting on this mirror is seriously next level. With 3 color modes, natural daylight, warm yellow, and cool light, you can customize your lighting to suit any environment or makeup style. Plus, with 50 LEDs in total, you'll never have to worry about dim or uneven lighting again. Now, let's talk functionality. This mirror boasts a 360 degrees swivel degree feature, allowing you to adjust it to any angle for the perfect view. And with its 8.5-inch diameter, you'll have plenty of space to see your entire face with ease. No more awkward angles or squinting required, but what really sets this mirror apart is its quality. Crafted from premium brass with careful attention to detail, you can trust that this mirror is built to last. Say goodbye to flimsy, rust-prone mirrors. GURUN prioritizes quality above all else. And let's not forget about its versatility as a gift. Whether it's for a loved one or yourself, this mirror is the perfect present for any occasion. From Christmas to Mother's Day, you can't go wrong with the gift of flawless makeup application. In conclusion, the GURUN 8.5-inch tabletop LED lighted makeup mirror is a must-have for any beauty enthusiast. With its impeccable magnification, customizable lighting, and superior quality, it's a game changer for your beauty routine. Trust me, once you try this mirror, you'll wonder how you ever lived without it. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.